Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You begin by confirming the prerequisites and taking the first actionable steps. Make sure both devices are updated to a supported OS and signed into the correct Apple ID. This prevents authentication blocks. Once done, enable FaceTime and SharePlay permissions in Settings and connect both devices to the same Wi-Fi network to reduce latency. If you plan to stream media, open the app you want to share and prepare playback controls so you can initiate SharePlay immediately when prompted. Now you move into execution. Start a FaceTime call with your participant and then tap the SharePlay or Share Content control inside the call. Once you select the app or media, accept permission prompts so the session can stream. This is the common blocker if you skip it. Make sure to hand control to the host or allow remote control depending on the app. Keep an eye on network indicators and close other streaming apps to reduce jitter while media buffers. Finish by confirming synchronized playback and that participants can control the session. That signals a successful SharePlay setup. If you encounter lag, no audio, or a failed start, first toggle Wi-Fi and Bluetooth, then restart FaceTime and rejoin the call. This clears transient network or permission states. If problems persist, sign out and back into Apple ID, verify app-specific SharePlay permissions, and update or reinstall the media app. One key tip: recording network strength before retries helps isolate whether connection or permissions caused the issue.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.